Porno addiction will kill the man in you. Here is why. It weakens your brain. Mental disorder like stress, poor focus, depressions, social anxiety. All this results from binge watching porn. Don't let your brain stop from developing. Fight through that addiction. It kills your inner drive. Men who hook to watching porn struggle with their financial status, relationships, career. This leads to a pathetic life. It messes with your T level testosterone, gives you willpower as a man. Porn makes you have poor mindset, have weak body, unsure of what you want out of life. Save yourself from this. You lower your self-esteem, get addicted to porn, and drive yourself to pit hole of regrets, self-loathing, feeling of guilty. It'll take you months, if not years, to build up confidence. So resist the urge and save yourself the torture.